Welcome to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the Yakima BigCatch. This product is going to be perfect for your standard kayak as well as a larger fishing kayak, up to 150 pounds. The BigCatch comes with everything you'll need to mount the unit on your car, as well as tie down your kayak. To mount the BigCatch on your vehicle, start by removing the set screw. Then, loosen the knob until the T-bolt on the bottom can be turned 90 degrees. Rotate the T-bolt 90 degrees, then open the clamp. Remove the clamp from the slot. If you have standard crossbars, the middle slot should be just fine. If you have a thicker crossbar, you may need to go with the bottom slot. Place the unit in your desired location to start mounting the BigCatch. Next, close the clamp, and once again rotate the T-bolt 90 degrees. Firmly tighten the knob at the top of the clamp. Then replace your set screw and tighten that as well. If the threads at the top of the knob are exposed, use the vinyl cap to cover them up. Repeat these steps until all 4 of the cradles are securely mounted. You can also mount the BigCatch to your vehicle using the T-slot adapter kit sold separately. To mount the T-slot adapter onto the BigCatch, first flip the unit over, open the clamp, and remove the clamp entirely from the unit. Insert the bracket from the bottom in place of the clamp. Place the necessary hardware on the bracket and loosely tighten each side. Remove the rubber strip from the channel of your crossbars. Slide the BigCatch onto the crossbar and tighten with the supplied wrench. Make sure the BigCatch is firmly mounted on your crossbars. Repeat this 4 times until you have all the units mounted in the best location for your kayak. To tie down your kayak bow and stern, grab the smaller security strap and loop it through a secure spot on your kayak. Pull the strap through to tighten it. Take the other supplied security strap and hook it around a fixed mounting point on your vehicle. Thread that strap through the underside of the strap tied to your kayak, then down through the bottom. Pull the strap through to tighten it. Repeat these steps on the other side of your vehicle and tie up any loose ends. To tie down the center of your kayak, start by routing the HD strap supplied with the BigCatch through your crossbar. Next, drape the strap over the other side of your kayak like so. Route the strap through the crossbar once again and through the buckle. Pull it tight to cinch the strap. Tie up any loose ends and repeat the same process on the other side. Thank you for checking out our video on the Yakima BigCatch. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.